Is it even an adventure if you don't get stuck? I don't think so. Welcome to Skills with Santosh. This is the Royal Enfield Adventure Riding Tutorial Series. This one, it's all about getting stuck. Now I don't care whether you're the greatest Dakar rider in the world or a complete fresh amateur. Sooner or later, if you're on an adventure ride, you're going to get stuck and you're going to need to recover your bike. Okay, step one, picking up your bike. Sooner or later, it happens to nearly all of us. Being able to pick your bike up is an important skill, and there are a few key points to remember. Number one, turn the engine off. You don't want that thing running while you're trying to pick it up. Number two, if you can, leave the bike in gear so it doesn't roll away as you get it back onto its wheels. Now, in this situation, there are a few little tips and tricks that can make getting out of that problem a lot easier. Number one, pull the bike over onto its side. Then you can fill the hole the rear wheel was in with sand, rocks, wood, whatever you can find. That way, when you pick the bike back onto its wheels, the sum guard is no longer touching the floor. From there, we're going to need a big driver throttle to get the bike out of the hole. There's no use being subtle here, or you'll just get stuck again. Big throttle, big clutch, and keep your legs moving to keep the bike moving forward and out of the difficult situation. Bear in mind, if the bike catches grip, it's going to accelerate quickly, so keep that clutch covered so you've got a safety switch if it does so. The front bars beside the headlight provide a great place to get two of your friends to put a strap on each side and yank you forward. With that set up, there's pretty much nowhere that will stop you on a Royal Enfield Himalayan.
Presence of mind. Irrespective of what happens, always be calm and relaxed in a situation that might not be conducive in this manner for your riding, but always be relaxed and have the presence of mind to understand where you are and what you need to do and execute that in order to recover and continue on your journey.
So, what other ways can we get stuck? Well, one of our old favourites is the ditch. Quite often there are drainage ditches at the sides of roads or ruts that form from lorries that get deeper and deeper and deeper. In this situation, you need to lift the bike out of the hole. Put the bike in gear so that it doesn't roll away as we're working with it. Next, lift one end of the bike at a time. That halves the amount of work you've got to do. Again, use a strap through the front wheel or through the front fairing brackets, and two of you can lift the front wheel up and onto the bank beside you. Repeat the process for the rear wheel and you're good to go. Next time, don't look at that ditch, because when you look at the ditch, you ride in the ditch. There's nothing more satisfying than getting stuck and getting yourself out of situations with a little bit of thinking. So get out there, get explored, and I want to see as many photos as I can of bikes stuck in amazing places.